x-intercept, that's when you have the option to use what? Quadratic formula or copying this way. That's your option. You pick the one that you feel best with. And lastly, you need to find what? The vertex. That's all you need. Nothing else, nothing more. Those are the criteria. Is that equation in standard form? Is it in standard form? Yes, everything is on one side, right? F of x, same thing as 0, y, f of x in standard form. In this case, what would be your y-intercept? As in other curve? 0, 5. This is the easiest way to find when your equation is in standard form, right? That's one. So let's find the x-intercept. You tell me which method to use, then I will do that. Which method are we using? Quadratic. And what is the quadratic formula? X equal negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Everything is over 2a. And in this case, if we are using that, we need to identify a, b, c correctly. If they're not correct, don't expect to get the right answer. In this case, what is a? A is 1, invisible 1. What is b? Negative 6. And what is c? 5. Those are the things that we are going to use to replace here. We're going to evaluate that to find your x-intercept if they exist. And anything from there, we are doing plug it in. We are plugging those information. So we'll have x equal minus negative 6 plus or minus root of negative 6 squared minus 4 times 5. Everything is over 2 times. Right? You only plug it in, guys. From there on, you cannot say this is the answer. You have to work it out every step of the way to justify your answer. Other than that, you will not get perfect credit. Right? Next step, this is going to become positive. 2 negative become positive. Root of, what is negative 6 squared?
36.
Cannot be negative. Some of you still, whenever you square negative number, it's going to be positive, right? Minus what?
Minus 20.
Minus 20. Only one negative, that minus 20. Over 2. Next is 6 plus or minus. Now you work inside of the radical. That will give you 16 over 2. Next, 6 plus or minus 4 over 2. Here you can simplify that. What number they have in common? They have 2, so you can divide everything by 2. You will end up with what? 3 plus or minus 2. Then you get 2 answers from there. Let's see if we can fish out those 2 answers. One of them will be 3 plus 2. That will give me what?
5.
When x is 5, what is y? What is y? 0. It's on the x-axis. That's 1. What is the other one? That will be 3 minus 2. This will give you what? 1 comma 0. Right? We have one more point to go. Which one is missing? The vertex. Guys, watch me. We have to work harder. Remember, x-axis of symmetry is minus b over 2a. This. You already find that. This is that one. X equal, this is that one. Keep tracking it. This is that one. This is that one. And this is it. This is your x-axis symmetry. You see it? And what is x? X is 3. Don't go and work it out. It's there for you. You already found it. Right? Now what is missing? How will you get the y? You have to go plug this one where? In the original equation. Remember, this is y. And you find what? X. We're going to place it here, here, then that will give you your y. Does that make sense? Okay. So we'll say y equal, how will you set it up? Y equal 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 5. Guys, if you can get that, something is totally wrong. So the operation, PEMDAS. What do you do first? You square that, that will give you 9. Cannot be 6. This will give you
18.
Negative 18 plus 5. Then 9 plus 5 is what? What is 9 plus 5?
14.
You'll have 14 minus 18. What is? That will give you negative 4. Then this is your vertex. Then you have everything. And those are not big numbers. What number will you use as your interval? What is it? 1. Right? The highest number is what? It's 5. So we're counting by 1. Let's do this. 0, 5. Where will you put that?
On the right.
0, 5.
5 more up.
5 up. It's on the y-axis. 5 units up. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That will be 0, 5. Next one is, so where do you go to find 5, 0?
5 to the right.
Go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That will be 5, 0. And the other one is what? 1
To the right.
1 to the right. This is 1 to the right. 1, 0. And my vertex is what? 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3, and go down. 4. Then that will give me 3 and negative 4 as. Then you need to try to get your u. Right? Vertex, right? That's fine. Go to 5, 0. Right? That's one side of it. Then you come back where? To your vertex to find your. This is my y-intercept, my x-intercept, and the other one is what? Can only touch it at 5 before I touch the y. And this is my graph. So I need to label my x-axis of symmetry. So I can come here, and this is that line. When x is equal to what? When x is equal to 3. That's what you are supposed to do. And ta-da, that's your graph. Right? If you're not doing that, guys, this is the least thing that you need to do in this class to get promoted. Right?